Today you can learn a practical skill, how to quickly become professional in fine dining presentation. And with this skill, to improve the restaurant style, popularity and turnover. The restaurant only need 1 month to receive 100,000 fans. At the same time, restaurant turnover increased by 300%. Do you know how to do? Okay, follow this video, unmissable. At the end of this video, I will recommend several famous restaurants. Their food and dining presentation are very interesting. Hello everyone, this is Sylvia. This channel is mainly to share knowledge and experience on the overall supporting of the restaurant. We will be happy to share our experience about site selection of restaurant, design, decoration, product selection, and even in restaurant operation. If you are interested in, remember subscribe our channel and follow every new video so that you don't miss any useful knowledge about the restaurant. As we know, everyone who loves life when they enjoy the food. Most of people cannot accept use random tableware to plate the food. Fine dining presentation can make the food look delicious and attract every food lover. So, fine plating is a good method to let your restaurant become a popular food spotting. How to present food? First of all, plate selection. Most of people will ignore this most basic point. Your plate is the key. It will design your food plating method and art direction. At present, shallow plates are widely used to create a variety of visual arts in fine dining presentation. Besides, the plate use white color with dogs will bring more funny. Moreover, we will also choose the colorful plates similar like this, but you need to be careful when you choose them. The plate's color will catch your eyes than the food. Generally, the special dishes will select to use colorful plates. So, how to match the color is an important point. The second, you can place a small shape of a ramekin to put some special sauce to match the food. And you can choose to decorate the food with some flowers or add other different ingredients. The third, you can find the focus of the plate, not limit the center of the plate. Not all food need to put on the center. You can choose a proper location to plate the main food, and the ingredients and decorations can be placed in the support position. Meanwhile, remember to keep them neat. The fourth, you need to learn more about this from different restaurants to improve your sense of design. The dining presentation need to update at set intervals. Then you not only keep your old customers, but also attract more new customers. Everyone likes fresh things. Update new menu also the main thing for your restaurant. Food plating is really a technique. You need to try and practice again and again. Thinking from the customer's point of view, thinking from the food itself. Keep your heart and let the customers feel the taste, temperature, love from your food. In addition, the style of your food plating need match your restaurant style, or else there will make disharmony. Above content for fine dining presentation, hope can help you continue to increase more new customers. Even though a small restaurant, don't forget to make the nice food plating. Meanwhile, to create your unique style of dining presentation. This video have shown the skill for fine dining presentation. Next video, I will tell you how to design a restaurant. Remember, don't mix it. If you want to learn more skills of fine dining presentation, or you want to make a set of your own unique food plating, please add WhatsApp which under the video to get in touch with me. If you want to continue to learn more methods of fine dining presentation, welcome to subscribe our channel and turn on the small bell. Then you will not miss the interesting and useful content in the next video. At the same time, by turn up to tell me your like and leave your comment to communicate with each other. See you. Bye.